always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why, always dream of you when spring comes.
If you grow up in the early 80s, like me, everything that we interact digitally was made of some large pixels. That was the foundation for the high screen resolutions that we have today. Divoom, with a range of pixel art speakers and frames, have managed to bring back that nostalgic feeling that we had as a kid into a retro-looking piece of tech. And if you want a nice-looking retro desktop speaker, I think this is the right one for you. Welcome to the review of the Divoom Ditoo. Hello, Thiago here, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews and unboxings, and if it's something that interests you, do consider subscribing, leave a thumbs up on this video and share this video all around with your friends. With this said, let's start the review of the Divoom Ditoo. It's so nice to see a beautiful retro looking device in 2020, where all the companies are competing to make the most modern design product. What Divoom does with the series of speakers and frames, it's brilliant. Divoom have sent the Divoom Ditoo to me for review, and when I opened it, came straight back to me my childhood and the Game Boy images. The Divoom retails about £69.90, but at this time you can get it cheap probably, so please check it out. On US, the price is $99.90. Like always, I'll put the links on the video description, so please check them out. Divoom Ditoo comes in a case that looks like an old refrigerator. Like everything that Divoom represents, has something to do with the past. What makes Divoom Ditoo special is the retro-looking look. If you try to put a high-spec resolution screen with all the features that Divoom have, then you have nothing special. But putting all the features together with the retro computer design, the pixelated screen, and the clickness of the mechanical switch, we have something special. The Divoom Ditoo was designed to be a retro piece of art to put next to your computer and to know that's there. It's not really something that you need, but something that you don't mind to have around. The Ditoo have a nice high-quality gloss plastic design on the shape of an 80s computer that houses the 44mm drivers inside. Let's not forget that's a Bluetooth speaker. The screen is made of 16 by 16 pixel multicolor LED. That gives you access to 1000 pixel arts on the internet, and is beautiful when it sits on your desk. The Ditoo also have a mechanical keyboard with the Auto-Move blue switch to give the nice clicky sensation. On the side of the speaker, we can find a micro SD card slot, where you can load your musics and play them without using a second device. You will also find the power button that also works to check the battery. And finally, the USB-C charge port. On the back of the speaker, a base radiator. And on top of the speaker, the speaker grill itself. This amazing speaker is full of nice features. Let's quickly run through them. It has Bluetooth 5.0, a large 3000 mAh battery that gives you 8 hours total playback time in one single charge. The Divoom lets you customize the display with many pixel arts. Either you can create them yourself or you can select them from a community. It has a smart alarm with the sound and the light combo. It lets you play a bunch of games and it comes with a nice app. The Divoom app is very nicely laid out and have too many features to talk about here, but let's have a look at some. If you tap at the bottom, here lets you explore all the features and functions of the speaker. Let's start with the design. Yes, you can design your own pixel arts. So let's design... I don't know what's this, but anyway. And you can change the colors, for example, as you guys can see. And when drawing, it will appear on the screen. Another cool thing is the fact you can have your own sound mixer and have fun creating original music. Well, not me, but yeah, let's have a look. So press this one. Come on! You see, guys? It's nice. Not for me, but yeah, it's quite nice. And you can play, like, you can play piano if you want to play piano, for example. And the screen, it will appear the pixels on the screen when you press in it. Look at that. It's quite cool. This app is very complete with all the features. For example, if you want to put your... Oh, someone is starting following me on Instagram. By the way, guys, follow us on Instagram. And you can set up an alarm and you can choose what type of sound you want on when you waking up. So, for example, you can have ocean waves. Or you can have a whale. Eagle, or a normal digital alarm. And that's all for the app. As a speaker, it performs as expected for a small speaker. You will not get a whole of bass on this speaker, but there is a hint of it to make it more enjoyable. Let's have a look at the sound perform of this speaker. You can also use the Divoom Ditoo for making calls, and it sounds pretty decent when you speak into it. Delivers your voice nice and clear across. So let's listen the call quality of the Divoom Ditoo.
The call quality of the Divoom. As you can see, the sound is quite clear, and I think it's picking up my voice quite well. We are inside of the house, there's no noise in the background, but still, it picks up my voice quite well in my opinion. Guys, drop me a comment and let me know what you guys think about the sound quality of the Divoom Ditoo.
Watching Netflix and YouTube is not a problem for this speaker, and it performs without a problem. For gaming, the latency is pretty good as well. Let's have a look. With the inclusion of a nice mechanical keyboard, the Ditoo provides you with all the controls that you need for your media including the music playback, volume control, and track skipping. If you have the budget and want a nice piece of retro art on your desk, this is a speaker for you. For his size, it's a pretty decent speaker, considering that the other speakers at this price range don't come close to the Ditoo and this feature. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends all around. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, it will help the channel. Stay safe and Happy Christmas or Merry Christmas wherever you are. See you in my next review.